Today, I'm taking you far north in the mountain roads of Bali, Indonesia to discover one of the tallest waterfalls in Bali that most has never seen to date. Many beautiful landmarks all over the island have gained so much attention, enjoying them with such dense crowds is impossible. So hang out while I show you the secret secluded gem, and towards the end, I will show you how to find it. Enjoy. Oh, what a nice day out. Good morning here from Audi Homestay. Today we're at Leak Waterfall. I actually crashed my drone in the water, so I just wanted to take a day off from filming or doing anything at all. So we just kind of hung out here yesterday. Today, hopefully the drone works. Going to test it out here a little later, and then it's a travel day. We're going to head up north. There's a couple waterfalls. I can't remember the names right off the top of my head. I did a bunch of research on Google this morning. Got all of our shit packed, bathroom stuff, what's left of the drone, all of our clothes, and then warm clothes, towel, and then extra stuff. And that's everything for 2 people. My backpack doesn't count because that's all camera shit. As we were searching for this place to stay, we were hit sideways with a crazy rainstorm. The next morning, we hit the road early before the next afternoon storm. We're in the mountain roads of the Munduk area. It's above the Twin Lakes near Munduk, and I want to show you this road here. Today we're gonna check out the waterfall, hopefully do 2, maybe 3 waterfalls if we can. We'll even do more. Tomorrow or the day after, we're gonna head more north. There's a couple of big waterfalls, the big twin waterfalls. Hopefully do that before the end of the weekend. After several failed attempts using the GPS, we decided to pull off the road at the closest landmark, lock the bike up, and begin to search by foot, following random signs, talking with locals, and the random couple that ended up being the only people we saw the entire day. It's raining, but we can't feel it because we're in the trees. It rains almost every day throughout the whole year in Munduk area or Munduk area, same thing. Well, we found something, not thanks to Google, but we found something, which is not a bad thing. Essentially what this place is, it's a cafe overlooking a waterfall. Which sounds really exciting, sounds really cool, but that wasn't the purpose of what I was looking for. I was wanting to hike a waterfall, go all the way down to the bottom, not just sit at a coffee shop and look at one, but it's still a fun adventure. Not bad. Actually pretty nice. I have no idea what this waterfall is called. No idea. Time to cross. Put my foot right there. You can do what we did, or just make that right turn and just have a nice warm seat up there, or hang out down here. We're gonna have this little trail here. It's like boop, 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 and we're gonna see what happens. Oh, they're on TripAdvisor. That means they're really good. So we believe this pathway that we're walking will actually lead us to the street. Reason being, to get a good view of this waterfall, you have to walk through the river, and most people won't do that. So a more efficient way to the view spot there is probably a second access from the road. Probably didn't make any sense, but essentially we're assuming this pathway is going to take us to the street, which is like a 2-minute walk to where a bike was at the first entrance. Or we're just going to turn around and come back. Who the hell knows? More sketchy bridges. We've been walking on this road for about 20 minutes now. We have an idea where it's going to lead us to. As I'm saying this, I see a sign that says waterfall. Waterfall. How far? Who knows? Alright, here you go. Here's a very modernized directory. That's how long you have to walk to get to here. So if you can understand what that says. And you also need to read this information. But there's a waterfall that way. So we found the waterfall entrance. Boom. 20,000 per person. Local, foreigner, doesn't matter. So when you see the little cloth sheet around, that means it's sacred tree. That means this tree is older than your mom. I found the waterfall I was looking for. Finally, it took a couple hours, but we finally found it. I say it's worth it. It's like Leak Waterfall, but more of an open view. Essentially, it's like a big giant slit in the rock. It's like a perfect waterfall. This waterfall's nuts. It's supposed to be one of the tallest waterfalls in Bali. I'm not sure if it's the tallest, but it's one of the tallest. Oh, you probably can't even see me anymore. Well, we're heading back now. That was fun. Probably one of the better falls I've been to. The experience has been the best, I would say, hands down. These little water musical instruments there. Hello. So we're paying some money to give us a ride back to our bike, because it would be a good hour walk up and downhill of a very loopy, curvy road. And I'm not interested in walking. It's like, I say 3:30, 4 o'clock. Once it gets dark, it gets dark.
For the Red Coral Waterfall, here's a map of showing you where you need to park. The exact location will be listed below. If you did actually enjoy this video, make sure you stay tuned where I'll explore over 12 waterfalls in the next 7 days. I will also show you how I cracked the code of how to easily avoid, in my opinion, Bali's biggest scams in tourism. Check out my other adventures on my channel. Make sure you are subscribed so you'll miss out on my very next adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.